Yo, YouTube fam, what is good? Man, do I have a surprise for you guys today. I'm actually pretty excited. Just got back from picking up the final piece to my puzzle for my steering wheel setup. So it's obvious, of course, what I was going to be getting. For those that follow me on Instagram, you guys know I've been posting about it, little hints here and there, so everybody knows that I am going with a whole Nrg setup, but the color that I'm going with was a surprise that I was keeping until I got my steering wheel. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing an unboxing on what I got. So I'm pretty excited for this, guys. Honestly, if I had the time, I would do an install video on this right now, but I think I'm gonna hold off just a little bit because there is other things that I do need to accomplish. So one of the things that I do have on my bucket list, of course, is going to be my garage is extremely bad. So I'm gonna go on ahead and put you guys on the tripod. We're gonna go on ahead and get into unboxing these items. I'm excited to show you guys exactly what I got, the color that I went with, and also, of course, you know what color I'm going with as far as my new wheels that are still being powder coated. They just got the powder coat yesterday, so I'm sure they're getting that done today, and I'm sure it's going to take at least another few days for it to make sure that it's dried properly and the whole nine. I mean, I've never done powder coating, so I'm not sure, but I'm sure that they are taking their time with it, and I'm very grateful for that. So I'm excited to get those as well. That's definitely going to be for another video, but I'm gonna go on ahead and put you guys on the tripod. Let's go on ahead and unbox these things. Alrighty, guys, so please excuse the big mess I have in the background. I'm definitely gonna be taking the time tomorrow since I'm off work. I'm off work today and tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna be taking the time to clean up this garage because it's pretty bad. I wanna start putting my car back in the garage and haven't been able to. So let's get into this. So the first thing, of course, is we're gonna go on ahead and unbox this one. So this one right here is, so this will be, this is the hub, I'm assuming. If I said that incorrectly, please correct me. So we got this guy right here, of course, and then of course everything that comes with it as far as, oh cool, nice little sticker. I'm definitely gonna be slapping that one on. So we got the connectors that we will be needing for this install, some other stuff over here, some more wires. So that's what we got in box number one. Then let's go on ahead and just put this one back in here, and we're gonna go on ahead and reveal the other one. So the other one, I'm really excited for this. So if you haven't had a chance to check out my interior, if you go to my Instagram, which I'll leave in the description below, I actually redid my interior with the help of my beautiful wife. She actually helped me do this. We did it ourselves. It took about, I want to say, roughly almost a week, so it was time consuming. It was definitely a fun experience. Taking it off was the easiest part. Putting it back together was definitely the hardest part. I feel that it was the most difficult part, and the thing that sucks about it is when I put it back on, now my dome lights in the front do not work. Luckily my rears do work, but my dome lights in the front don't work, which sucks. So maybe I will be retouching my interior because the adhesive, of course, has been peeling off, so I do need to retouch it and flatten it out, straighten it out so it doesn't look wrinkled and it doesn't look loose. But back to this. So this is, so I'm assuming this will be the quick release part of it. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? Wow, look at that, guys. Let's focus this. There we go, focus. Look at this. Man. So I've been in the car community for a very, very long time. I've owned nothing but Hondas in my life. My first car was a Honda Civic. My second car was another Honda Civic. My third car was another Honda Civic. Yeah. And then of course I transitioned over to a Kia. An unfortunate event happened with that, and I ended up losing that vehicle. And then I got another Civic, and then I got the G. But what I'm getting to is, I've always wanted to have one of these. And honestly, guys, the simple fact that I've actually have been able to accomplish in getting this set up, I'm extremely excited, guys. Like, it's crazy. I know for some, like, oh, it's just, you know, another quick release Nrg setup, but honestly, guys, it's I've been wanting something like this for a while. So now the main event. The first steering wheel that I had originally found, I know it's a steering wheel that I haven't really seen anybody with, but unfortunately Nrg was completely sold out. They didn't produce that many of them, but it's okay. I found something else that's close to what I still like, and I went to go pick this up today. So now for our main event is our steering wheel. Guys, literally, you guys have no idea how excited I am to be opening this right now. I literally went to go pick it up and I wanted to open it as soon as I got there, but I'm like, nope, hold on. I've been wanting to do an unboxing video on this, so I made sure that I held my horses. So what we're gonna do here is, okay, so I gotta try to figure out how to release this, because I think I know how I'm gonna do it. So what I'm gonna go on ahead and do, guys, real quick, let me go on ahead and take this off so I can show you the whole steering wheel. I'm excited to show you guys this, so stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so I gotta say this, Nrg really packages their product very, very well. That took me quite some time, but here we go. I'm excited. My God, guys. Look at that. Let's see if it'll focus. Just look at the pearl on this. Look at this, guys. So, the original one that I was gonna go with was like this. It was 3-inch deep, same purple neochrome effect that I had going on, but this part was actually, I believe, either suede or leather black, and it had purple stripes on the top. So one of the reasons why I really wanted to go with that one was because, like I mentioned, I never really seen anybody that owned one, the one that I wanted to go with, and I know that it would have gone perfect with the rims, but this is also perfect enough. So now that we got this, I'm excited. I cannot wait to install this. So I'm gonna definitely take some time to try to figure out how to do this, but I can't get my ass off of you guys. I'm gonna go to sleep with this just right here. Just the thought, the idea of now having a removable steering wheel. I know that some of you guys watching this video, you guys are probably like, yo, this guy is way too hype. You know, the next thing that I definitely do have in mind is I do want to paint the car. So I have made my final decision. I'm not going back on it. If you check out my previous videos, I was talking about I was stuck between vinyl wrapping or repainting the car again. But honestly, guys, I think I'm just gonna repaint the car. And the way that I want to repaint the car, it is gonna stay the same color for the simple fact that it's gonna, my build, it's gonna be completely themed. So I have a theme going on in my interior, and I want to follow it, and I want to keep that theme going. So I don't want to change the color in my car. I'm gonna keep it the same color, and what I decided to do was re-hitting it again with brand new silver paint and adding pearl flakes to it. And honestly, I think with doing so, it's definitely gonna match the steering wheel, because the steering wheel does have that, you know, flake thing going on. I'm super excited about it, guys. So that's definitely my next thing to do, is sending the car away, getting it painted, having the fenders fixed. That way I'm not driving around with with a black bumper and, you know, beat up fenders. So that's definitely the next thing on my list. I think that we honestly have been able to accomplish two things that I had in my bucket list this year. And honestly, I think that once I'm done painting my car, as far as getting any other things for the G, most likely are gonna be way smaller things. You know, I was thinking of going bags at the end of the year, but I'm actually gonna hold off on that too. The only reason why is because I think these two things right here for me were the biggest purchase I've ever made, especially my wheels. I got the wheels for a good price. They were like perfect condition, no scratches, no curb rashes, no bends. I mean, literally these wheels were perfect. So I picked them up for a good price, and getting them powder coated, I paid a good price on it too. So I'm excited for it. If you guys live in the Antelope Valley area, Lancaster, Palmdale, California, Cortland, anywhere in the AV, and you guys are interested in maybe powder coating your wheels, I definitely recommend hitting up CP Auto Style. They are the ones that are taking care of me as far as my wheels come, and I'm excited. I can't wait. And you know, next thing is I'm gonna do a short video shoot of my car, and I'm actually also talking to one of my good buddies. He also has a G35 sedan. His car, by far for me, I love the way his setup is. You guys just have to see it. So hopefully him and I can link up one of these days, go take a drive and do a video shoot of both of our G's. Two sedans, same year, different style, and I'm gonna show you guys why going different and following your vision is very important when it comes to your build. So this is what the definition of enigma is a mysterious term. So for those of you guys following me on social media and are following the build, I want to thank you guys so much for your continuing support. You guys are amazing, seriously. But if you continue to follow this build and you continue to support this channel, you continue to support the Instagram page, trust me guys, by the time I'm done with this car, you guys are going to be the first ones to have been able to see it, because you guys are following me on this journey. So we'll be in Palmdale, California at the Sonic Car Meet. I just went and got some more decals for the brand, and I'm gonna be walking around that night, and I'm just gonna be, you know, giving everybody our decals. I want everybody to support, you know, and for those of you that are already supporting the brand, thank you so much, guys. Definitely, I really appreciate y'all. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to comment on this video. Don't forget to like this video. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Other than that, your boy is out. Have yourselves a good Friday. We'll see you next time.